Good morning, adventure seekers! Los Flores Ranch Park. August 31st already, another month down. Hope we're having a good Labor Day weekend. Should be a good place to go, not too crowded. Temporarily closed, dinosaur trail, dinosaur loop, Flores Ranch, spring forward. Nighttime hikes here, dog walking, e-bike or bike riding, nature hikes, whatever you want to do. Adventure seekers, Los Flores again, great place to take kiddos for a little hike, bring them on out, see little animals over here, chickens, donkeys, goat or two, horse over here I think. Get a closer look, see what these rascals are up to. We can get a close-up look. Alright, what do you think, buddy? Think I have some food or something? Good boy. How you doing? How you doing today? How you doing today? Sorry I don't have any food for you, but you're a cute one. Yes, you are. Very pettable. Very pettable. Hey, you're a good one. Show me those teeth. Show me those teeth. Real close-up view. Yeah, show me those teeth. Come on, little tooth inspection. A little tooth inspection. That's what we need. That's what we need. A little tooth inspection time. Yeah, show me those teeth. Yeah, show me those teeth. There we go. There's some teeth action. Yeah. Come on. There's a goat over there. The burro, show me those teeth. Yeah, there we go. Tooth action. Yeah, you're a good one. Pet them, check them out. Food, I'm not sure if you're allowed to feed them or not. I'm sure they wouldn't mind a little bit. You better watch out, Sparky boy. A little bit bigger than you. A little bit bigger than you. Over here. Yes, you're a cutie. Give me those teeth. See if this horse wants any attention. What do you think, Mr. Horse? You're a good looking one. You want some attention? Yeah, you do. You're a good looking horse. Yes, you are. You want some attention, don't you? You want a little human interaction. Come on, too short to reach. Too short to reach, but you are a good looking horse. Yes, you are. Got all those flies over you. That must be a drag. Come here, let me pet you. Come on, up here. I'll pet you. Here you go. Oh, come on. You don't want to be pet. You just want to eat. Do some nibbling. Do some nibbling. Feeding time at the old ranch around here. Not too interested in being pet right now. But kiddos love the animals. Bring them on down. Check it out. We got some pot-bellied pigs over there too. Might get a personal tour. Never know. Check out with a ranger. Know what they do with kiddos up here. Let them feed the animals in the morning. You never know. There we go. Yeah, you're a good one. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Betcha. Let me pet you. You look furry, all right. You look furry. There you go. Plenty of trails to choose from here. How many miles they have? Plenty. You can do it all in one day, even with an electric e-bike. Okay. Cruise might see a bobcat, maybe a deer. Might see a cow, working cattle ranch. Might see some vultures, quail. Who knows? But you gotta get out here, look, to be able to see. Nice views. Start to clear up here. Should be a nice day. You got the winery over there. Like the place. Alright. First sign of non-wild animals. Cattle are out. You don't want to mess with them. They can take you out. 2,000 pounds of them. It will show you who's boss. Luckily, this one seems like it doesn't want everything to do with us, which is good. Use Sparky for traction. Alright, Mr. Seekers, remember to bring yourself some water, and a picnic, lunch if you're up to it. Bunch of cool spots around here. Shady rest area, the patch. It's like pretty new. Nice little shady spot. Picnic, lunchtime. Enjoy the views. Hopefully you'll see some nature. You never know. So far, I haven't seen too much. Domesticated variety. That's about it. Tuned. You never know what you'll find at Los Flores Ranch Park. Alright, what's up, burro boy? Wild noises around here. Wild noises. Show me those teeth. Show me those teeth. Some teeth. There's some teeth. There's some nostrils and some teeth. Show me what you got. Come on. Show me what you got, tooth boy. Show me those teeth. There we go. That's the tooth I want to see. Smile for me. Smile for me. Smile, burro. Alright, check out the turkey vultures sunning themselves. Getting ready for the day's hunt. Warming up those wings. Adventure seekers. Remember Los Flores Ranch Park. Check it out before you come. It's only open, I think, Thursday, Fridays, Saturday, maybe Sunday. Bring down the kiddos, picnic, lunch, e-bikes, mountain bikes, horses, whatever you got. Place to adventurize. Always a fun one. And the best part, it's free. Can't beat the price.